Hey folks, Steve Butler here in the garage. Most joiners come with the standard push pads. They have a rubber backing on them and eventually that wears out. And if you're milling some wood like curly or bird's eye maple or anything with a tough grain, they tend to slip and that can be a little dangerous. What I like to do is I like to make my own push pads or paddles, and I go to the scrap bin and I'll get some pieces of plywood. I'll run a dado or a groove down the center of them, and I'll take some of my standard push sticks I use for the table saw, trim the blade off, and I'll glue, countersink, and screw them together. And then what I do is I countersink some screw holes and I drive some screws in here. Now these ones are sticking out quite a bit. I use these for some real gnarly wood when I'm working on the big joiner, but you can put narrower screws in or even just some tacks or nails, and they really grip the wood, help grip the wood. And I just simply walk my board across my joiner. I know what you're thinking, but hey, you're marring the wood. You're putting in these little divots, these screw holes into the wood. That really is irrelevant because once I take it to the planer, that'll be milled off. Hope to see you again here in the garage.